These 3D definite integrals originate from a mathematical extraction titled 260812_in_a_math.txt. The coefficients bounding this Cartesian space, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, and 377, are sequential Fibonacci rungs. When evaluated, the integrals output pure rational fractions, 5005 over 24 and 442 over 9, without irrational remnants. However, subjecting this space to a biquadratic fracture, deleting specific dimensions to create an informational void, causes the solver to generate massive structural strings of pi. The initial polynomial inputs contain no trigonometric constants or circular geometries. There is no pi in the starting parameters. The appearance of pi at the point of topological failure indicates the calculus engine utilizes transcendental geometry to bridge gaps between discrete integer bounds. Theoretical physics remains divided between two distinct domains, the sequential steps of discrete number theory and the continuous, infinite-dimensional flows of calculus. This division complicates the Doppler Energy Dilemma, where we define a photon as a discrete particle, but calculates its relativistic shift using continuous wave geometry. Research into Topological Information Fluid Dynamics, or TIFD, attempts to reconcile these domains. TIFD employs the friction versus fiction protocol, which maps mathematical behavior by treating information entropy as a form of thermodynamic heat. This framework operates on the premise that continuous geometries are governed by discrete integer symmetries. Continuous calculus reacts to the boundary constraints imposed by integers. Deriving the relativistic Doppler effect through the Lorentz transformation in Minkowski space provides a geometrically perfect description of the frequency shift. While this wave-based derivation is accurate for an observer, it bypasses the mechanics of the light emission itself. In 1922, Erwin Schrödinger published a formulation of the Doppler effect that focused strictly on the conservation of momentum. Schrödinger proved that because a photon carries quantized linear momentum, the atom must experience an exact mechanical recoil upon emission. Balancing the conservation of energy and momentum requires the atom to expend kinetic energy during the recoil. This specific kinetic energy loss at the source is the physical mechanism behind the frequency shift. Macroscopic wave phenomena are regulated by these discrete integer boundary conditions at the microscopic level. Steve Konrad's Tri-Axial Volumetric Matrix functions as a Cartesian engine to map this discrete friction. The matrix establishes two distinctly bounded three-dimensional spatial volumes. Each dimension, length, width, and depth, is offset by exactly one discrete Fibonacci integer iteration. Calculating the ratio between these two discrete volumes reveals a specific mathematical trajectory. By adding the causal dyad to this ratio, the output converges toward the continuous constant of the 3D inverse golden volume. Shifting a three-dimensional grid by a single discrete integer forces the continuous volume to scale according to its own topological dimension. The microscopic variance between this discrete ratio and the continuous target is the thermodynamic friction gap. This gap quantifies the friction generated as continuous energy traverses the discrete spatial bread, providing a topological map of Schrödinger's recoil. To test how integers govern continuous space, Konrad subjected a symbolic integration engine to a fractured biquadratic polynomial. He deleted the cubic and linear spatial dimensions, creating an asymmetrical informational void. The surviving boundaries were anchored strictly to sequential Fibonacci integers. The symmetry of these integers is governed by Cassini's identity, a modular analytic structure. This specific integer symmetry causes the discriminant of the continuous solver to collapse, bisecting the mathematical roots into two distinct boundary conditions. Cassini's integer identity mechanically forces the math engine to generate a pure imaginary phase vector. The continuous mathematical universe fractures into real and imaginary domains because the discrete integer sequence requires it. The solver must now complete the definite integration across this fractured, discrete space. The calculus engine strikes the imaginary fractional root generated by the Fibonacci symmetry. Resolving the area under this specific curve requires the deployment of the arctangent function. By strictly bounding the arctangent function between 0 and 1, the mathematical engine inescapably outputs exactly pi over 4. This mechanical evaluation is the Pi Singularity Injection. In this system, transcendental geometry acts as the necessary stabilization mechanism to contain the leaks within broken discrete dimensions. This mathematical stabilization has a direct physical counterpart in electromagnetism, described by Ampère's law. Ampère's differential geometry requires continuous magnetic fluids to shape and knot themselves around discrete electrical currents. This occurs in Tokamak fusion reactors during Moelcher-Taylor relaxation, where knotted magnetic flux tubes shrink to minimize their energy. Macroscopic helicity prevents the energy from fully dissipating, forcing the plasma into a Beltrami field where the magnetic lines align with the electrical current. If the continuous nested surfaces fracture, Ampère's law triggers a violent untwisting of the topology, accelerating electrons to relativistic speeds. This confirms that macroscopic topological stability is bounded by strictly quantized discrete limits. We return to the Tri-Axial Volumetric Matrix to identify the structural anchor for a photon's identity in space. Decompiling the fractions 5005 and 442 into their prime factors reveals an overlapping integer at the core of both volumes. That integer is 13, which is also the 7th Fibonacci number. This catenary link anchors the three continuous dimensions, ensuring the photon's triadic energy remains intact across relativistic distances. Under the friction versus fiction protocol, continuous geometries like pi and e are the structural artifacts required to map discrete integer symmetries. The Doppler shift is simply the measurable thermodynamic friction of continuous energies circulating through a discrete spatial grid.